Hello friends, welcome to the Textile Education. It is an online education platform. This video is about your Angular project setup and run your first Angular project. Okay, and this course will be a job oriented course with all Angular features from basic to advanced concept. We will also do practice for interview preparation later. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel for future notification. Okay, now let's start the video. This video is related to project setup, how you can create your first Angular project. In this project we will see some basic commands to create our Angular project, entire project creation process, then hello world application, and run and test our application, how we can run the Angular project and test our Angular project is running or not. Okay, so how we can do this? First we need to open a command prompt and create a directory in your drive. Okay, open your command prompt. Now type node v. This command is used to check node version. Type npm v. This will check the npm version. This is a just confirmation that node is installed in our system or not, npm is installed in our project or not. And next, for the creation of new project, we have to write ng new, then space our project name. This command will use to create a new Angular project. Okay, and this command involves multiple steps on the basis of selection, different kinds of options to create our project. Okay, so we will see this step by step while we are working with command prompt. Now our project is created. Let's assume our project is created. Then how we can run our project? Then there is another command, that is ng serve. This command starts our Angular project. Once our Angular project is started, the default port will be 4200 and it will be available at http://localhost:4200. When you open this URL in browser, it will redirect your Angular project into this URL. Okay, so let's start our Angular project creation process. Okay, I have opened the command prompt and went to our android_tuto folder in D directory. Let's execute our command one by one. One is node-v. This will tell you version of node installed in your system. The next one is npm-v. This will shows which npm version is installed in your system. Okay, wait. Okay, the npm version is 10.8.1. Now the next command is to create the Angular project. Okay, the command is ng, then new, then your project name. It can be any logical name. I am giving to this like first app. Okay, now press enter. This step involves multiple steps for creation any Angular project. Okay, so it will take some time, means 1 or 2 minutes to create your project. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now we need to select the options. Do you want to work with CSS in this project or SACSS, that is SCSS version? So now we are going with CSS process. Later we will learn these concepts also. Okay, now the next one is press enter. After this option will come, do you want to enable server side rendering? Now we are going with N. Okay, now press enter. The next, it will start downloading the initial setup in your project. Okay, it will take some time to set up your project. Wait for a while. Once it done, it will move to your directory. Okay, now our project setup is done. Let's check with command dir first app. Okay, now go to this project, first app. Okay, here we need to open this code, this project in our VS Code IDE. So to open VS Code IDE from direct this project, type code space dot. Okay, it will open the VS Code IDE. Wait for a while, it will open. Now the VS Code is open with our project. Okay, so this is the process for the related to creation of our Angular project. Okay, now our project is created. Let's test this project is working or not. Okay, let's trust the author. Okay, now run the command ng serve. It will run our project and creates a endpoints, which is http localhost port 4200. Wait for a while, it is compiling the code and rectifying the errors. Okay, if all are good, it will give us the URL.